A bird is drawn into the sand by Kaylee. Marsha goes to look for Heather since she believes she took her top. Marsha touches the sand despite Kaylee's warnings not to. Vance tries to assist Marsha, who is clearly upset when she is immobile, but he is as immobile when he touches the sand. To the dismay of their companions, Vance and Marsha are both brutally murdered as their bodies sink into the sand. Jonah determines that whatever hatched from the shattered egg on the beach's edge has buried itself beneath the sand and killed everyone, including Vance, Heather, and Marsha, during the night.